Many students believe that success is measured only by grades. Because of pressure and expectations, they sacrifice sleep, rest, and even their own health just to prove themselves worthy. Lucille carried the fear of disappointing others, and what seemed like a dedication slowly became exhaustion.
Are you okay? You look so tired and pale.
Don't worry about me. As long as I get the high score, I'll be fine. Just get going now or else we'll be late.
Okay.
Okay, good morning, class. Please close all the reviewers and get one of this paper. And once you have the paper, you may now start.
Hey,
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm just a little busy.
Good morning, Lucille. I'm Nurse Alanja. Tell me what are you feeling right now?
I'm tired, and I always feel like I need to prove myself to everyone.
So you feel like your work depends on your grade?
I feel like if I don't do well, I'm going to disappoint my parents, especially my mom.
I think high grades is important, but losing sleep and skipping meals will seriously affect your health. Your body is already showing signs that you need to rest. Resting is not being lazy. Taking care of yourself help you perform better and stay healthy.
Maybe I did it hard on myself.
Therapeutic communication is more than asking questions. It is listening with empathy, understanding emotions, and helping patients realize that their health matters too. Because sometimes, what people need most is someone who will truly listen.